Facebook can be an incredible way to make money. You just need to know how. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. You can make money from any niche, but some are more profitable than others. Step 2. Create a Facebook page that offers value to your followers. Step 3. Develop a plan to monetize your page. Use strategies such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and digital products to make money with your page. Make sure to build relationships with your followers and make sure to always provide value. With the right strategy and the right mindset, you can make money with your Facebook page. Today we'll learn how to make money by Facebook. Here's some interesting fun facts. Fact 1. You can make money on Facebook by creating and selling products on your Facebook page. Fact 2. You can also make money by selling advertising space on your page or in groups. Fact 3. You can also use Facebook Live to promote products and services and make money from it. Are you looking for ways to make money with your Facebook page? Here are some fun facts about how to make money with your Facebook page. You can use your Facebook page to promote products and services. Advertise your services and products with targeted ads and start making money. You can use your Facebook page to affiliate marketing. Provide links to products and services you recommend and get paid when people buy through the links. Start selling digital products like ebooks, videos, apps, and other digital products through your Facebook page. Start your own online store with Shopify and use your Facebook page to promote it. Don't forget to follow us for more tips on how to make money with your Facebook page. Have you ever wondered if it is possible to monetize your Facebook page? The answer is yes. First step is to create a Facebook page and build an audience. Post frequently, engage with your followers, and be consistent in your content. Once you have a sizable and engaged audience, you can start to monetize. You can monetize your Facebook page in several ways. Utilize the Facebook Marketplace and post products for sale. Or become an affiliate and promote products from other companies. You can even create a crowdfunding campaign or run online courses and workshops. With the knowledge of how to monetize your Facebook page, start building your own success story. A day in the life of a Facebook moneymaker starts with a good breakfast and a plan. They use their knowledge of online marketing to create content that is engaging and profitable. Throughout the day, they monitor their ads, review analytics, and optimize their content to get the best returns. They also engage with their community and promote their content elsewhere on the web. At the end of the day, successful Facebookers review their progress, celebrate their successes, and plan for the next day. Do you want to make money with a Facebook group? You can do it by setting up a group, engaging with its members, and monetizing your group with advertising, affiliate programs, and digital products. First, choose a topic that interests you and that you think could be profitable. Then, create a Facebook group and start inviting people to join. Make sure to create rules for posting and set up an automated welcoming message for new members. Once the group is established, start engaging with its members by creating polls and asking questions. This will help you understand their needs and interests. You can also offer exclusive content to your members such as digital products, ebooks, or services. You can also monetize your group by joining affiliate programs, such as Amazon Associates, or by placing ads in the group. With the right strategy and a bit of hard work, you can make money with your Facebook group in no time. Do you want to make